Trading blows. I'll tell you what, the ref in the hazmat suit is killing me, man. It's reminding me of One Division. Powder in the eye. Powder in the eyes of Moxley. And he's just swinging the bat around with barbed wire on it, but you can't see. And we've just had the first explosion go off to the back of Moxley. The ref is ducking all over the place with his hazmat suit, looking like a One Division extra. Oh! Explosion to Omega. And he went face first into the barbed wire, or chest first. Oh! Another explosion. I think this one is shouting to the ref. Omega, Moxley went for the paradigm shift and Omega reversed it and pushed Moxley into the rope, but the explosion blew back into the face of Kenny Omega. He's going to try paradigm shift. He's got the power! Paradigm shift off the apron onto the platform, which is full of barbed wire, and exploded. And it's stuck in his back, and it's worse for Moxley because Omega's landed off. He rolled off and landed off the platform. Moxley's got no top on, and his body is engulfed in barbed wire, and if he pulls himself up, it's stuck in his back. Oh, God. How smart from Moxley. He put his foot onto the rope and it exploded to break the count. But you can't see again, Omega. Here come the Good Brothers. Here come the Good Brothers, but Moxley wailing into the Good Brothers with a baseball bat covered in barbed wire. What? The baseball bat that Gallows gave Omega he kicked out, had barbed wire wrapped around it with an explosion device in it, and Moxley kicked out. Jon Moxley loses. The finisher through the chair, I actually thought it was going to go the full length. It's that one-winged angel's a dangerous move, man, but through a chair. Eddie Kingston comes down to save Moxley, to get him out of the handcuffs. He's trying to undo the handcuffs. 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. He covered him. Sparklers. The absolute troll on Omega. He set off sparklers.